Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Memorizing Characters. Today's lesson focuses on the 同字框 radical, 同 frame radical, 同字框同 frame radical. Characters containing this radical usually related to boundaries, enclosed spaces, areas, and containment ranges. Let's check these daily high-frequency characters. 同、往、内、刚、周。All these words are framed by the 同字框 on the outside. 同字框. Now follow me to write. 同 the same. 往 net. 内 inside. 刚 ridge. 周 weak. surround. 同字框 Leave a comment below if you know other characters with the 同字框 同 frame radical. I will reply to your questions and check your writing practice. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.